Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to change OnePlus Watch 2 strap or band. We can use any 22mm watch band here. So let's check it out. OnePlus Watch 2 comes in two models, gunmetal grey, this one, and forest green. We have black bands for this one, and the forest green model got green straps. Just like any other traditional watch, we can also change the watch strap for the smartwatch. We can pick any style or color we want. I recently got this green color one from Amazon. I'll share both the smartwatch and this band link in the description. You can check it out after watching this video if you are interested. First, we will see how to remove the default watch band. We just have to go to the back side. And on the back of the watch strap, we can see this small adjustment thing here, this one. We have to use our fingernail and just push this down like this. That's all. We can do the same for this as well. Just use your fingernail and push this down. That's all. Now let's add this new watch band to the smartwatch. Do it like this. And find the strap hole. And then push this down. That's all. We will attach the other side as well. Do it like this. Find the watch strap hole, insert it, and then push this button down. Sometimes it will take time, but yeah. That's all. This is a magnetic lock band, easy to wear and remove. The magnet is strong enough as well. I hope it stays the same for a long time. We can also adjust the size here. We can remove this. We can remove this and move anywhere we want. We can move anywhere we want. And yeah, this is 22mm as well. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts regarding changing OnePlus Watch 2 band in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.